1 pan garlic butter shrimp. Pasta. Easy dinner. Recipe in 20 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make an incredibly easy and delicious dinner that's ready in just 20 minutes. Garlic butter shrimp pasta. It's a 1-pan recipe, which means less cleanup and more time to enjoy your meal. Let's get started. Step 2: ingredients on the counter. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 8 oz of pasta. I'm using linguine, but any pasta works. 1 lb of shrimp, peeled and deveined. 4 tbsp of butter. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Salt, pepper, and red chili flakes to taste. And some fresh parsley for garnish. Step 3: boiling pasta in a pot. First, cook your pasta according to the package instructions, but make sure to undercook it by about 1 minute since it'll finish cooking in the sauce later. Drain and set it aside.
Hungry for something quick and delicious? Today we're cooking a mouth-watering garlic butter shrimp pasta in just 20 minutes. Perfect for busy weeknights or special occasions, and it only needs 1 pan. So let's get cooking.
Now, heat a large skillet over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, toss in the shrimp. Season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of red chili flakes for a little kick. Cook the shrimp for about 1-2 minutes per side until they're pink and opaque. Remove them from the skillet and set aside. Step 5: making the sauce in the same skillet. In the same skillet, add the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter and the minced garlic. Sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant, then pour in the chicken broth and heavy cream. Stir everything together and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 6: adding pasta and shrimp back to the skillet. Now add the cooked pasta and shrimp back into the skillet. Toss everything to coat it in that creamy garlic butter sauce. Sprinkle in the Parmesan cheese and give it one final stir. Let it cook for another minute or 2 until the sauce thickens and the pasta is perfectly cooked. Salz. Step 7: plating the dish and garnishing with parsley. Once everything is combined and heated through, it's time to plate. Garnish with some fresh parsley for a pop of color and extra flavor.
Step 7: plating the dish and garnishing with parsley. Once everything is combined and heated through, it's time to plate. Garnish with some fresh parsley for a pop of color and extra flavor. Step 8: look at how creamy and delicious this looks. The garlic butter sauce is so rich and the shrimp is perfectly tender. This dish is seriously restaurant quality but so easy to make at home. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. See you in the next one. Bye. Subscribe for more easy recipes.